Clarity of presentation. Once a project is chosen, their experimentation is done and the data is collected. The final step is often one of the most difficult. You have to organize all your information to make it easy for others to understand. Presenting your procedure, experimental analysis, and results in the attractive, concise, and appealing way enhances our understanding of even complex topics. All of the students displayed are being recognized for their achievement in clarity of presentation.
Creativity is something that is required for all forms of science. An original idea which brings together elements of science done in the past, coupled with the student's unique idea, often brings new understanding and rewards of its own. This unique and original application of scientific ideas is alive and well, and was demonstrated by many students in this fair. For their creative spark, the displayed students are being recognized for creativity.
Data collection and analysis. Data is the foundation of all science. The collection, control, and interpretation of large amounts of information are very important and time-consuming tasks. Once this mountain of information is finally put in place, the essence of what does all this mean is determined through successful use of graphs, charts, pictures, tables, and the like. The displayed students are being recognized for their successful acquisition and compilation of data.
Engineering. Engineers bring together the elements of research, experimentation, and data collection and translate them into hardware or processes. The design, production, and operation of a project can be a true example of scientific engineering, not only in the physical sense, but also organizationally. The displayed students are being recognized for their achievement in engineering.
Experimental design. Having a unique and original scientific idea is only half the battle. Trying to design experiments that will give meaningful results and that will further the understanding of a topic can take most of the time spent on a project. The concept of test, and retest often become paramount in ensuring that an experiment will produce a valid examination of a hypothesis. The displayed students are being recognized for their excellence in experimental design.
Honesty. In any scientific experiment, there can be unexpected results. However, even in the light of undesired results, a new inspiration may be found. Others may be able to build on the results, and we may gain a better understanding of the topic. We may even find a new avenue to explore. Looking at all data is as important, and presenting the findings regardless of anticipated results is a very important aspect of scientific work. The displayed students are being recognized for their honesty in presentation.
Novelty. It is sometimes surprising how the things we take for granted are often taken out of context and applied in new and unique ways. Using old ideas with a twist to create a new thought is very important in science. Scientists who challenge the system by introducing an innovative approach are often labeled as rebels. And where would we be without them? For their innovative and unique interpretation of scientific knowledge, the displayed students are being recognized.
Perseverance. For most of us, life's little setbacks are mostly an annoyance, but for our young scientists, when the plants die, or the crickets run away, or the home-built super collider doesn't, months of hard work can disappear. In the face of these obstacles, many of our students just look adversity in the face, laugh, and continue despite the setbacks. The judges would like to recognize the displayed students for their superior perseverance.
Scientific thought. In the pursuit of science, there are certain paths or methods that are taken to ensure proper scientific investigation. This includes rules for concept formation, conduct of observations, experimentation, and validation of a hypothesis. Gathering all aspects of a project, understanding the scope, and being able to relate the concepts to the casual observer is quite a challenge. The displayed students have taken the scientific method and applied it to all aspects of their project and are recognized for their excellence in scientific thought.
Thoroughness. Most ideas can be applied, presented, and interpreted in 1,000 different ways. The scientist often has to examine a particular idea from many sides to gain a full understanding of it. A thorough investigation of how different variables come together and interact is sometimes one of the greatest educators about a particular scientific idea. For exhaustively applying their knowledge of interactions and ideas, the displayed students are being recognized for excellence in thoroughness.